Beauties, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with all of you how I get ready for a fun, relaxing day at the beach. Today's video is in collaboration with Hawaiian Tropic. I'm actually going to be showing you guys two of my favorite products, the sunscreen and the after sun lotion. It smells so delicious. Being by the ocean, being by the beach, touch the water with my feet a little bit because the ocean here in Malibu, the Pacific Ocean, is so cold, so I don't really get in the water. Plus, I don't know how to swim, so I wouldn't get in the water by myself either. I hope you guys enjoy all of my tips and tricks that I'll be throwing in there in today's video. So let's get started with a fun get ready with me video. So like I mentioned, since I don't get in the water, I like to start off my makeup by using a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer that's going to give me some coverage to get rid of any redness that I have on my face. And then I like to add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes to brighten up the center of my face. And then I just blend it all out with a damp beauty sponge. Next, I use a large powder brush and I set my concealer and tinted moisturizer with a powder to make sure that it stays in place all day long. Next, I'm going to add some depth and contour and color to my face using some bronzer. And I'm going to add some glow using my Café con Dulce Pixie Beauty and Dulce Candy collab. I'm going to take the top three colors and apply these on my cheekbones and also underneath my eyebrow. And now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use a dark brown pomade to slightly fill in my brows and give them some shape, while also doing a few coats of waterproof mascara. And last but not least, I just like to have some fun by adding a little bit of color to my lips. No day at the beach is complete without my Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Plus. I love that it's a lightweight moisturizing formula, so it never feels greasy when you apply it, which is really great. I absolutely love the way that it smells too. It has that signature Hawaiian Tropic scent. Oh my gosh, it brings back memories from our first vacation in Hawaii. But anyways, what's really great and what's most important to me is that it helps prevent skin damage and skin aging from the sun. You guys know how that sun could be so harmful. So I love that it's made with green tea extract, this one in particular, because it forms an antioxidant protective layer on your skin. So you are going to be ready to go. So now for my bathing suit, I decided to rock this one-piece bathing suit covered in roses. I love flowers and this one is just so gorgeous. So I'm rocking it with my favorite kimono also. It's a really nice cover up and I wear it all the time. On beach days, I like to head out a little bit early to clear my head and indulge in some really good quality time while I wait for my friends and family to come. I always love catching up in a really good book and enjoy the calm of nature. It's just absolutely the best.
Since I was told that you don't want me, but baby you're just cold and you know I try to hold on to weightless to you. I can't stand up, cause I'm not the kind of girl who paints your perfect world. Can't push set up, we're not living in a
So after being out in the sun for a while, I always love to reapply my Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Plus sunscreen because it's also very moisturizing, so it leaves my skin feeling so nourished throughout the day.
Places like swimming under
always, when I get back home and I get out the shower, I'll apply the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Weightless After Sun to really help preserve my tan while also moisturizing my skin. Not only do I love the scent of the coconut papaya, it smells so good, but this lotion also keeps my skin moisturized for 24 hours because it has a really cool dual ribbon formula of aloe, so it makes it a really nice moisturizing lotion. And the texture also feels very light, so it feels like you barely have anything on. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my fun get ready with me day at the beach. If you did enjoy it, please thumb up the video so I can make more get ready with me videos. Until next time, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.